What are you doing? How did you get under your exerciser? Huh? Where are you going? Okay, that's fine. We'll put yours in the fridge. I just made the tortillas up there and I'll make the eggs right now.
He's crawling like crazy now.
I know, he's got the map.
Look at you, Buggus!
Okay.
Aww.
Tanner's first real day of crawling.
He waited for Gina.
Right.
Aww. He's still so slow at it. Like, he crawls, he scoots much faster.
He's very deliberate, you know.
Good boy, Oz.
Olive's so good.
Yeah, he's good. Tanner put his hand in Ollie's food the other day. And I was like, oh, what's Ollie gonna do? And Ollie didn't even freeze it. He was just like, do.
Oh, it's him again.
Yeah. Hi. Say hi, love you. Say hi, love you. Hi, hi. Yeah. Okay, let's have some peaches and apricots. Ready? Do you like it? No? What are you doing with it down there? You gonna save it for later? You got 2 snacks in your hands, huh? Double fisted. That's what we call double fisted. Yeah. Are you gagging yourself?
Doesn't even sound like all around there.
Tanner, what is it? It's a Jack in the Box.
You want to do them again? The monkey says, hello, T-Fin. Hello, Dookie. Okay, let's do them again. Let's see what happens. I didn't get much squeal out of you at all.
Hi, Ollie. Ollie, you tired?
You liking this formula?
Tired?
You love this
Oh,
formula.
good puppy. Good puppy.
You love this formula.
I'm drinking a bottle. Cat, is your Gina feeding you?
Say, Mommy, I was hungry. No wonder you were fuss budget.
Oh, sorry.
Of course, now I'm on video snorting like a little pig. Is that what I'm doing? Oh, I love you too, baby. Oh, you know how to get out of there now.
Oh yeah, he's been going back and forth.
What do you see, Tanner?
I don't know, but when he gets focused, all the big things just disappear.
What do you think? Thank you, Ollie. Thank you. Pop goes the weasel. Throw! Throw!
Try the ball. Come here, baby. Catch your ball. Good job. Throw the ball.
Tanner.
Get your ball. Here's your ball.
Thank you.
What are you looking at?
There you go. You can grab. You're taking the tunnel with you. Oh, that's hilarious. Where'd you go? He's still going up to the window.
Right at the glass.
Tanner, what are you doing? You stuck? Whoops, sit down, take a rest.
He's got his full and his fill and off and running.
Good job. That's good crawling.
Looks like a sumo wrestler.
Hi.
Hey, fella.